Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bike cleaning sprays that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Muc-Off MOX 904 Nano Tech Bike Cleaner. The Muc-Off MOX 904 Nano Tech Bike Cleaner comes in an attractive 1-liter bottle, ready to instantly deal with grime, mud and all sort of dirt. The uniquely made bike cleaner contains a revolutionary nanotechnology that easily breaks dirt and grime down for flawless cleaning and rinsing. The thorough cleansing liquid easily breaks down dirt wherever it is sprayed, ensuring dirt in even the most unreachable areas are dealt with and ready for a rinse-off. Some of the finest ingredients and surfactants are blended together to make this superior cleaning formula that is extremely tough on dirt. Regardless of how dirty the bike gets due to maintenance, weather conditions or riding in the mud, the Muc-Off has proven to be a worthy and reliable solution that's well up to the task. What's even better is how safe the alkaline-based formula is. Wear gloves or choose not while cleaning. The formula is perfectly safe to touch and inhale without causing any harm. The fragrance is nice and appealing as well, free from CFCs, solvents, and acids that could pose any harm. Its biodegradable form equally ensures it's safe enough for the environment it eventually seeps into. With 1 liter of effective cleaning liquid to work with, this value bottle would actually last a long time. Of course, this depends on the amount of cleaning you do per time. The smooth and unique texture equally makes it safe for practically any surface including carbon fiber. It's equally great for anodized metals and matte finishes. Regardless of the texture of your bike, this formula keeps the base surface intact while adding extra shine and a totally attractive finish. Moving on at number 4, we have the Finish Line Super Bike Wash 16 ounces concentrate. Biodegradable formulation means that more than 60% of the product base oil will degrade within 28 days once exposed to the common soil-borne bacteria. So formulas such as the Finish Line Super Bike Wash are not just safer for the environment but prove to be equally efficient on tough dirt. This cleaner ensures a cleaner and shinier outlook after dealing with dirt, clay, road grime, and greases. It's super easy to use and really takes the hassle off scrubbing on the knees for several minutes. The handy pink bottle boasts of a unique formula that has individuals like you simply spraying on the formula and wiping off to a clean, shiny and almost unbelievably smooth surface. And for a cleaner that is so gentle on the environment, it's almost hard to believe how potent it is against tough stains, caked mud, and road dirt. This means you can take this pink bottle wherever and you honestly won't regret it. And since the formula does practically all the work, it's really easy to simply spray it on and wipe or hose off whenever it gets embarrassingly dirty to cycle. How does it do this? Well, the formula is made from the blend of 5 potent yet unique cleaning agents that makes all the difference. These 5 agents in a bottle work together to deliver speedy and thorough clean to different surfaces on the bike. With 2 rust and oxidation inhibitors, metal surfaces are protected and stay intact through routine washes. What's more, the cleaner contains an advanced bio-cleaning material that does not contain phosphates, chlorinated solvents, benzenes or the likes, which are likely to same damage to your bicycle components as well as the environment. At number 3, we have the Simple Green Bike Cleaning Spray. Most green products often leave you wondering whether they meant green as in environment friendly or green as in new to the job. But Simple Green Cleaner cleans like a pro and leaves the environment safe while at it. Apart from being biodegradable, the foaming cleaner is very gentle on painted or plastic parts but super tough on grease and grime. You may get turned off by the public bathroom air freshener smell that Simple Green decided was perfect for their product, but we think you'd like its cleaning so much that you'd cut them some slack for the bad choice of fragrance. Simple Green's foaming formula also saves you the hassle of having to contort yourself into funny shapes to reach some tricky parts of your bike. The foam clings well to vertical surfaces and is easy, quick degreasing. Plus you don't have to get your hands dirty if you don't want to. At number 2, we have the Finish Line One-Step Bicycle Cleaning Spray. Our top pick for the best bike cleaning spray has to be Finish Line's One-Step Bicycle Cleaner and Lubricant, because what's not to love? It's not every day that you find a bike cleaner that can work as lubricate and bike degreaser at the same time, because one task is water-based and the other is not. But this product is a real game changer, as it works as both a filth flusher and a low-friction lubricant in one step. If you're new to the world of cycling and the inevitable maintenance that comes with it, then this product will save you some major headache. If you're already getting that headache from working with regular bicycle chain lubes, scrubbers and a bike cleaning kit, then heads up, freedom is here. And finally at number 1, we have the Pedro's Bike Lust Polish. Pedro's Bike Lust Polish is a badass cleaner, degreaser and polish all in one, and it works well on both carbon and metal bike parts. The best thing about this product is that it makes future cleaning even less of a chore. It's like cleaning in advance. After degreasing, it leaves a waxy coat that, to an extent, wicks away mud and dirt and still leaves your bike with that sleek gloss finish. So if you like your shred sled all shiny but can't be bothered to polish it, look no further. Pedro's Bike Lust Polish will literally make your bike the shiniest on the block, unless your neighbor Joe is in on the bike lust magic too. For more great bike gear, check out our top picks of the best bike lights.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.